Kisara Bettei Toki, which is in Toba, an area in Mie Prefecture, along the Ki Peninsula. And so we booked a night here, a suite called the Hanada. This is in the West Wing, and the West Wing rooms are the most centrally situated, which supposedly gives the best views. Anyway, so this is, let's take a look. It's the entrance. To the left is the common area. Let's immediately to the right is the toilet. Okay. And then this is the main living room and bedroom. And then this is the dining room. Some of the rooms in Kisara Bettei Toki allow guests to be served their meals in their room, and this is one of them, which is something we always prefer and actually actively seek out. So anyways, smaller TV, refrigerator, mini bar, and coffee, tea. And then swinging around, see that it's a nice TV. We'll take a look at the view in a second. But let's look at the, so this is the sink, robe, bath towels, closet area with a locker and safe. Let's close it, it looks much cleaner. Like that. So let's swing around this way. And so, oh, by the way, I'll get back to it in a second. Anyway, so there's this is the shower. Onsen, natural hot springs. Yes, always heated 24/7, and the water is naturally fed along, so it's not the same hot water that just sits there that's heated. So that's nice. And then there's an outdoor one as well. So open air. Open the screen door. There we go. Really, really nice. And then what's kind of interesting is, in addition to that, there is a ashiu, foot bath. So you can just kind of chill out with your feet in there. I don't know if I would spend too much time doing that. You can just kind of sit here and dip your feet, because at least from here you have a view, whereas over here you don't. So anyways, it's interesting to have. I don't know that it enhances it in any significant way. So out here, so Toba is in the Ki-Hanto in Mie Prefecture. It's a playground for people mainly from the, I guess, the Kansai area, including Nagoya, which is the closest big city. It's not the most convenient place to get to, especially because with trains, there's no Shinkansen or anything like that. But it's near the Ise Jingu, the Ise Grand Shrine, which is the most important Shinto shrine in all of Japan. It's also near the Toba Aquarium. And there's a few other things. There's a ninja kingdom, which is kind of a cool experience where they have demonstrations and you can do cosplay type stuff. And I guess there's courses. And so it's kind of a resortish place, but there's things around. I wouldn't say it's must see, except Isejingu Grand Shrine is, and that's what a lot of people do. They come here, chill out, enjoy the onsen, and then go to check out the shrine, which is probably about 20 minutes away by car or bus from Toba area, which is this this city along the ocean. So, anyways, this is it's the room. We'll go in from this way if we can. Yep, we can. So a view of the room from looking in from the outside. One of the nice things about this room is it's wooden floor. We're here in late January, and January, February in Japan can be really biting cold, including here. So it's about I'd say about 6 to 8 degrees Celsius, and it can go as low as 2 degrees tonight. But they have heated wooden floors, and you can adjust the temperature with this control. So you could be assured of maximum comfort. So anyway, so this is Kisara Bettei Toki, and we like about it, the hot springs, the onsen is free flowing and always heated. You have meals in your room, heated wooden floors, some nice amenities. It's not cheap, but I wouldn't say it's exorbitantly priced either. So, anyways, this is the Hanada room. So I hope you enjoyed this tour. Sayonara.